My video guide is about removing the online scam that is related to the site Malox.live. Malox.live is a deceptive site. It now attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. The website claims to be some way or another related to the well-known security program. However, this website is extremely deceptive and the message it reports is absolutely fake. Malox.live is not related to any decent security programs. Instead, these pop-ups are controlled by the team of some online hackers who try to make you scared about the condition of your computer, and then these hackers would try to force you into downloading some potentially unwanted software. If you start interacting with these pop-ups, you will then be redirected to some other junk site that promotes a totally different software. Anyway, be careful, don't interact with these pop-ups. What I would recommend you to do is carefully research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and then begin researching your system with its help in order to detect and eliminate other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.